I'm Marzia Mariotti. I'm the chairperson of Watercoolers Europe, that is the association, European Association for the water coolers. I'm working for Water Logic, that is part of Caligan Group. I'm the marketing manager. Yeah, the next big thing in the water cooler industry, I think that is the integration of new advanced filtration technologies. Filtration is every time or every year more important for the customers, that they are looking to find new system to have good quality water. So the filtration, to have the advanced filtration system, will be really important for the customer, for the final customer. And also to have some IoT technologies, I think that will be really important to monitor the water consumption or other, the maintenance of the cooler. So these are the big things that I think that in the future are really important for the water cooler industry. I think that AI will be used in the industry above all to monitor the water coolers consumption and the maintenance of the water coolers. Could be really important to monitor, for example, if the filter is broken, or there are some some problem in the water coolers. And also if the customer has to reorder the 5-gallon bottles or some part of accessories. So the algorithms that the AI could apply could be really useful for the distributors and the players of the industry. I think that the smart technology can transform water cooler systems, making them more efficient, more convenient, and environmental friendly. The smart cooler can monitor water quality in real time, adjust filtration settings as needed, and even reorder the supply of water. And so the smart technologies will be really important for the water coolers industry and can reduce also the waste and make the system be more sustainable. At the moment in the industry, you can see some combination of water cooler dispenser with a beverage supply. So cooler that makes not only water, but flavored water, for example. So there is a mix of other beverages technologies that comes with the water coolers supply and distribution, and also some combination of water coolers with the coffee machine to supply directly the coffee machine with the filtered water. I think that this will be the most important development in the industry, even if with the integration of some hygiene technologies that can give a better quality of the water, because this is really important for the final customer to have a really good quality water. Watercoolers Europe is a growing association because it is attracting new members through the national association that is supporting really in a hard way. In all the countries, there are small players that are starting this business because the water coolers industry is a growing business and is a growing industry. And Watercoolers Europe is trying to increase the support to the national association, giving them rules, services to attract more and more members. This is a way to increase the association in general in Europe, and creating this big event as the association made last year in Vienna, and this year will make in Bucharest, is a way to transmit to the members, to the players of the business, the importance to follow an association and to follow the rules that the association is putting in place. The sustainability is one of the most important factors for the water cooler industry, because water coolers are playing an important role for the sustainability. The water coolers are connected to the tap, so they are not using the single bottles. They are reducing the use of single bottles and reducing the footprint in the system. I think that in the future there will be more sustainable materials that will be applied to the water coolers. So also the supplier will try to introduce sustainable material or like recycled plastic or other kind of material that could be refilled, like for example, for the filter that they have to change the external bottle to refill and throw away the external bottles, but they can be changed and refilled many times. These are all sustainable practices that will become more and more effective in the future. I think that we will see a lot of innovation around the technology and the sustainability topics, and this will drive the industry to a really big growth. So the attendees can register to each single part of the event through Watercoolers Europe website, watercoolerseurope.eu. That is connected to the event website. I think that is really important for them, for all the attendees, to attend all the parts of the event, starting from the conference that is really interesting because there are a lot of insights of the business and there are also some presentation of the trends of the future of the market. After the conference, there are the workshops that are really interesting for the best practices that are shared and the tips that are given to the attendees. And also the gala dinner is important for the aqua world that are really an important accolade that all the players of the business would like to win every year, and they are proudly show them on the social media platforms and during the fair the day after the gala dinner. Finally, the fair, that is really important to see all the news about the business, and also is really important to make networking. Thanks to you, and see you in Bucharest.